Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are going to cook dinner on the fire. I don't know why we decided to do it on like a 40-degree night in the snow. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make
I think it's
beef
colder than
stir-fry.
that.
I don't know. It was 41
Feels
when I was
pretty
coming
good.
home. So first we've got the...
Sure, dear.
I can't find my lid lifter, but we're going to get some...
Put the meat on.
First we're going to do the meat.
Cooking over fire makes it more fun.
And it tastes better.
Yeah, definitely does. We're fancy now. We have microphones, so you can hear the sizzling. I like a lot of pepper.
That's salt.
I know.
Oh.
But I don't know how everybody else feels about the pepper, because I like a lot of pepper. I know you do.
I like pepper.
I feel like the wind is blowing that around.
Huh.
How's that? Ooh, it's smoke in my eyes. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yeah.
Let's bring the camera closer.
Never use metal on your... Always use wooden, or don't use a metal spoon on your
Cast iron?
cast iron, because it will ruin your coating. What else? Hollering at me.
She's playing in what little
baby?
snow we have. Oh, she's going to climb on the snow mountain the neighbors made.
Ah.
You want to go in? Okay. Okay, you go ahead and go in.
Ooh. Okay, let's dump stuff in.
Ooh, okay. That's water chestnuts.
Yep.
This is baby corn. I love baby corn.
Okay.
And sprouts.
Yep.
Bean sprouts. Yummy.
And yakisoba noodles. And some of those veggies. That smoke is murder. Toby, come here.
Thanks. You had some.
This is murder, Heather.
The smoke?
Yes.
Yeah, I know, it's so bad. What's that you're putting on?
It's the spices out of the noodles.
Oh,
The
it came with them?
yakisoba. Uh-huh.
Oh. This?
Did you find your...
I love this stuff. I use it all the time at my house, and my little family loves it.
Costco for the win. I feel like there's not very many of these veggies left.
Oh my gosh! Why is that smoke so powerful?
I know.
I feel like it's not that bad.
I feel like...
Just use it all.
Because if we have any left over, we'll freeze dry it. And then we have hiking meals.
Ooh, good idea.
Put more of that stuff on there.
How's that?
Okay, put the lid on it and let's let her get warm.
Yesterday I made what I call lazy burritos.
Yeah.
It's a can of Costco pulled pork,
Yeah.
rice, and cheese. And then we put sauces on it of our choosing and just wrap it in a tortilla.
Yeah.
Yep. That's gonna have to become another joke. You don't put that in there, Heather.
Yeah.
Oh.
This looks so yummy. Don't you think so, Aunt Rosie?
Hi, Aunt Rosie. Oh no, is that a shroom?
Yes.
Yikes, that's okay, I can move them.
I was going to add some more mushrooms.
Oh no, no, no.
Okay, fine.
We forgot onion.
Oh, yes we did. Oh well.
That's all right.
It's got onion pieces in the noodles.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Is that asparagus?
No.
Or are they beans?
Beans.
Oh, asparagus would be good in a stir fry.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Here, lift that up. This is going to be so good.
Yes, it is. I hope that likes it.
She'll
She
love
likes
it.
noodles, and she loves broccoli.
Yeah?
She told me,
Okay.
we were playing with the toy vegetables, and she said, broccoli helps me not to get sick.
Oh, there you go.
Looking good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're done. We're gonna plate it up. Ooh, it looks delicious.
Yes, it does.
And so fast and easy. Such a quick.
And it's fun. We did it over the fire, but obviously
You don't have
easier over the stovetop. Do you want noodles, dear?
There's Heather to taste it. Let's see how it tastes, Heather.
Okay.
Whoops.
I'm gonna get a noodle and the baby corn because that's my favorite.
There's some broccoli for her. And a carrot. So good.
I love it.
Okay. Well, we're gonna eat. Then we're gonna do some s'mores.
What is this? Squash
It's a
or a carrot or something?
carrot. This is delicious. Costco stir-fry vegetables. Thin meat. Can of water chestnuts. Can of beans and corn and
That was really good. I love that.
Hot.
I love this, honestly. They have other flavors too, but I haven't tried them.
now we'll eat this. We'll have it for tomorrow for leftovers. And then whatever's left after that, I'll put out on my freeze dryer tray and we'll freeze dry it. And then I have hiking meals all prepared. It's just so easy.
Now for dessert. I'd bleep it out when we accidentally say her name. We could just bleep her name out.
Ooh, it's getting brown.
Did Bear want one toasted?
Nope. Maybe the moisture in the air makes it not burn as good.
Yeah, I don't
So
know.
there's more.
Because
I
it's
don't know.
humid today. It's not. It's not. It
Oh,
gets,
it's been raining.
It gets
and-
dry, you know, sometimes in the winter here, but definitely not dry today.
So I do not like graham crackers.
It's crazy.
So my s'mores are just a nice toasted marshmallow. Ah, pull it off. And then you stuff chocolate in it and let the chocolate melt. Oh my goodness. And then you remelt this marshmallow.
Retoast it.
Retoast.
It's taken me a while because I'm very nervous about lighting it on fire. I like it perfect and brown.
Yep. Remember when Haley used to set hers on fire?
Remember when Haley would eat like 12?
And Grandma had to have them just perfectly brown, and I get it.
And we'd put them on a plate and take them to her
Yeah.
if she didn't come
She
up
didn't
to the
want to come to
campfire.
the camp spot, yeah. Ooh, all melted and gooey.
Yum.
Delicious. These marshmallows are so good with those little bite-sized.
Oh.
No! These little bite-sized Reese's peanut butter cups stuffed in them.
Ooh. It'd be good with a Rolo too. I love caramel. All right. Where are the graham crackers?
In the house.
Oh. Hi, Bear.
One marshmallow is enough for me.
Now, Mama,
Yeah, Bear?
I know how many rid of it.
Yes, just a moment.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my stick in the fire. You want more?
Oh no, I'm just gonna have one, but I would like that piece of chocolate.
Whoops.
My finger. Oh dear.
Delectable. Okay, well, we're gonna sign off for this video. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
You don't put that in there.
The lighter fluid? Oh, I'm
Yeah.
gonna back the frick up. Woo! Oh my.
Cut that out.
And then your thing lights on fire.